make a bread omelette, all you need are eggs, bread, chopped onion, green chili, coriander, salt, pepper and butter. Crack 2 eggs into a bowl. Add chopped onion, green chili and fresh coriander. Add a pinch of salt and pepper. Whisk everything well until the mixture becomes smooth. Heat a pan and melt a small piece of butter. Pour in the egg mixture into the hot pan. Place 2 bread slices gently on top. Flip it. Your delicious bread omelette is ready, perfect for a quick breakfast.